In a world full of school, students are being pressured to succeed beyond what is even possible to the normal human being. Parents are encouraging students to get their work done so they can get into the best school possible. Colleges need more than just the average 4.0 in extracurricular activities to get in. Students are staying up later just to finish everything to get a good grade. Sleep is out of the question. Stress starts to build. Now, they need students to turn their lives over to the school and take away their social life. Stress continues to build. Teachers are piling on more than students can handle. Tuition is rising. Students now have to work and go to school in order to pay for tuition. Even more stress. They are tired, worn out, and turning into school zombies, just attending class and then working on homework. Stress is still building up. Students are getting sick and falling behind, but still told to finish all their work while sick in bed, otherwise they'll fail the class. Stress takes over their lives. What can a student do? But don't worry, there are ways to get past stress, and it can help make life easier. There are 5 ways to cope with stress that I'm sure once you try, you will start feeling better. An article from Psych Central talks about the 5 R's that can help move you to the right track to cope with your stress. Reorganize, rethink, reduce, relax, and release. Reorganize. Start by working on your health. Are you healthy? If not, think of ways to get healthy. Eat healthy foods or get into shape by going on a run. Make sure you do your cardio for at least 30 minutes a day. Rethink. Don't think about the negatives in your life, but instead focus on the positives and try everything you can to do your best. Reduce. Maybe you're involved in too much. Try prioritizing what you're involved in and balance your life out with the stuff that makes it best for your load. Cut back and feel stress-free. Relax. Calm down. Take time for yourself for at least 20 minutes a day with some breathing techniques. And finally, release. Along with your workouts in your reorganize section, do something to release the stress and take down the tension that is built up from the day. Go for a walk while lifting weights to take your mind off things. There are ways to take stress out of your life. You just have to learn to follow these 5 R's, and the weight will be lifted off your shoulders in no time. Don't worry, it will get better.